All right, last one.
A Frogger Gameshow. NBC Universal's Peacock adaptation of Konami's ancient arcade game starts streaming in September. When you've done it all.
Yeah.
Have you seen it all? What about Frogger in real life? Which is just really one of those Wipeout games all over again.
It's like an obstacle course.
Were you ever into these shows where you're jumping and running and falling in the water?
There was one Japanese one was pretty funny.
Well, they started it right before it came to North America. It was popularized over there.
But then I just kind of tuned out. It was funny for the first couple episodes.
Oh, I was going to say 6 minutes.
No, I was invested for a little bit.
It's because it's just running and jumping.
Yes. It's
we have a trailer here that we're watching. It's cool. I mean, the set is really nice. You got to build this whole elaborate thing. I don't know, man. It's so much. I don't. What am I supposed to watch these days? What am I supposed to be doing? What am I supposed to be doing, Will?
It's
I'm trying to think if you just made this show and you uploaded it to YouTube, say you funded it, say it was just exactly like this, how many views would it get? Would people tune in every time?
No.
I'm curious.
Unless the course changes quite a bit. And there's like celebrity involvement, bigger budget.
You would need celebrity involvement for it to get actual views. But somehow they make so much more money on these other streaming services. Because their model is different. You pay a subscription fee and then they distribute they're able to fund these projects with these enormous subscription fees and everything else. So they can make shows like this, and I don't know, hundreds of thousands of people watch it, and that's it. That's all they need for it to be an appeal, because you get a certain number of subscriptions from it. Mm-hmm. And I mean, the same could be said for any of these streaming services that approach more ambitious content than we do here on YouTube, because their model is different.
Yeah.
But when you have all these streaming services, though. Like, why am I still watching more YouTube than this stuff? Why?
Right.
That obviously is hard work right there to put that all together. I just can't figure out who it's for.
Yeah. And this loses steam really quickly. I mean, remember Ninja Warrior? Who watches that?
I'm sure somebody watches it.
Somebody, but not everyone.
No. Not everyone. I don't know, man. I want to know the numbers. I get really curious about this kind of stuff, because people, we'll just ask our audience. Let us know down in the comments. Is this show exactly what you've been waiting for? Do you need the running? Do you need the jumping? Do you need the swimming? Do you need the Frogger?
You should dress up as the frog, by the way.
Do a whole episode? Does Frogger frog?
Well, the contestants.
Oh!
It would make more sense than like just regular people dress what they want.
Then you would watch.
Definitely. I'm tuning in.
Do they have to jump like frogs too? Do they have to actually change their movements?
Yep.
That's what it takes for you.
Yeah.
What does it take for you out in the...
Or else there's penalties.
Wow. Costume penalties.
Yeah.
Non-frog-like movements. Deduction. What are we talking about?